3 top crypto to buy now in 2022. Insane potential. When looking for the next major cryptocurrency, 2 things are to be considered. First is market capitalization, and the next is pricing, which are comparable to what a stock investor would look for. The bigger the market cap in general, the more stable the asset, yet it also means the coin has less room for growth. It's also crucial to monitor the price in order to ascertain whether investors are optimistic or bearish on the coin. With this, a lot of people have drawn their interest to look for the best 3 top crypto to buy now in 2022. Insane potential. When looking for the next major cryptocurrency, 2 things are to be considered. First is market capitalization, and the next is pricing, which are comparable to what a stock investor would look for. The bigger the market cap in general, the more stable the asset. It also means the coin has less room for growth. It's also crucial to monitor the price in order to ascertain whether investors are optimistic or bearish on the coin. With this, a lot of people have drawn their interest to look for the best crypto, especially for this year. So here's a list of the insanely potential crypto of 2022. Welcome back to Crypto World. Like and subscribe. Number 3. Apecoin. Apecoin is one of the most promising cryptocurrencies for 2022. In 2021, the Bored Ape Yacht Club, or BAYC, was one of the most popular non-fungible token or NFT collections, considering its position as a market leader in the NFT industry. Apecoin is in a solid position because of BAYC's strong brand and financial backing. The BAYC ecosystem has grown dramatically so far, thanks to greater popularity by celebrities like Post Malone and the ecosystem's purchase of the popular CryptoPunks collection. The BAYC NFT collection members were notified that they were eligible to claim Apecoin or APE, the BAYC ecosystem's cryptocurrency code, as well as other information. Apecoin is the governance token for the APE ecosystem, allowing token holders to participate in the Apecoin DAO and provide shared and open money that can be utilized without the use of centralized middlemen. The ecosystem fund will receive 62% of all Apecoin and will support community-driven initiatives as determined by the Apecoin DAO members. Apecoin also gives users access to parts of the ecosystem that would otherwise be restricted, such as unique games and services. Third-party developers can use Apecoin to join the ecosystem by incorporating it into their services, games, and other projects. Moreover, Apecoin has caused a stir in the crypto community since its launch. The APE price, like many other tokens, smashed all-time highs on the first day of its existence. However, the value quickly fell below $10 for a brief period before firmly rebounding. The APE price is currently in an ascending parallel channel, maintaining a noticeable increase. As a result, the significant increase first pushes the price above $15. However, once the asset breaches these levels, another downturn is likely, although the asset might hold strong above $18. Millions of investors throughout the world are keeping an eye on Apecoin. It has a lot of potential for significant profits in 2022. Especially given how important buzz is in the industry. Only time will tell if this new token is worthwhile, but in 2022, it is certainly worth contemplating. Number 2. Ethereum. With Ethereum, you can't go wrong. According to CoinMarketCap, it controls 18.49% of the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum is one of the best cryptocurrencies to invest in since it was the first major project to implement smart contracts, which allowed developers to create desktop and mobile centralized applications or dApps using blockchain technology. Vitalik Buterin, a 19-year-old computer programmer and co-founder of Bitcoin magazine, proposed a highly flexible blockchain in a white paper published in 2013 that might allow practically any form of transaction. To support the development of the Ethereum system, Vitalik and a group of co-founders, including Gavin Wood, raised $18 million in pre-launch tokens in 2014. In July of 2015, the Ethereum blockchain's first public version was released, and smart contract capabilities began to roll out on the Ethereum network. Ethereum has then exploded in popularity. It underwent a big upgrade, which involved lowering the Ether supply, which is now at 120.33 billion coins. The upgrade also improves the Ethereum network scalability and lowers transaction fees by allowing it to handle more transactions per second. Another reason to believe that Ethereum will continue to be a good investment in the future is that it has a dedicated team and community, which is one of the largest in the crypto industry. With its Ethereum 2.0 update in 2022, Ethereum wants to migrate to proof of stake. Since the network's inception, this transition has been on the Ethereum roadmap, and it would bring a new consensus method as well as sharpening as a scaling option. The present Ethereum chain will become the Beacon chain, which will act as a settlement layer for smart contract transactions across several networks. Ethereum's Arrow Glacier update was postponed until June 2022 and late 2021. Until then, Vitalik Buterin believes that optimistic rollups and ZK rollups will determine the network's fate. However, Ethereum, unlike Bitcoin, lacks scarcity and widespread support by businesses and governments. Unlike Bitcoin, though, Ethereum is more than just a store of money. It also has a platform in which apps can be developed. Ethereum is the foundation of decentralized finance and is used to issue other cryptocurrencies. If Ethereum erupts once more in 2022, it will very certainly be a massive explosion. Number 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, or BTC, is the first cryptocurrency, having been created in 2009 under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. BTC, like most cryptocurrencies, is based on a blockchain, which is a distributed ledger that records transactions across thousands of computers. Because updates to the distributed ledgers must be confirmed by solving a cryptographic puzzle, a process known as proof of work, Bitcoin is kept secure and safe from fraudsters. Bitcoin's value has risen in tandem with its popularity. In May 2016, a Bitcoin could be purchased for around $500. The price of a single Bitcoin reached above $46,300 on April 1, 2022. That's an increase of over 9,000%. Bitcoin's outstanding performance as a currency and an investment has attracted both traditional and institutional investors. Is Bitcoin a sound financial investment? To be fair, it has a number of benefits over regular investments. Firstly, due to the worldwide construction of trading platforms, exchanges, and online brokerages, Bitcoin is probably one of the most liquid investment assets. With incredibly cheap costs, you may simply trade Bitcoin for cash or assets like gold. The high liquidity associated with Bitcoin makes it a great investment vessel if you're looking for short-term profit. Due to their great market demand, digital currencies may also be a long-term investment. Second, inflation risk is reduced. Bitcoin is impervious to inflation, unlike other foreign currencies that are managed by governments. The blockchain system is infinite, and there's no need to worry about your cryptos losing their value. Then it's open to new possibilities. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading are still in their infancy, with new coins entering the mainstream on a daily basis. The newness carries with it unforeseen price and volatility swings, which could lead to large profit. Finally, trading that is as simple and as possible. You must have a certificate or license to trade stocks. To trade a company's shares, you must go through a broker. Bitcoin trading, on the other hand, is simple. Simply purchase or sell Bitcoins on exchanges and store them in your wallet. Bitcoin transactions are also instant, unlike stock trading orders which might take days to settle. Bitcoin appears to be the future of currency, or at least an acknowledged store of value, with institutions including it on their balance sheets and El Salvador making it legal cash. However, given the market's high volatility, risk-averse investors are still hesitant to purchase Bitcoin, let alone any other cryptocurrency. Bitcoin's monetary policy is far more sound than any government's because it's not governed by a central authority. According to ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood, Bitcoin is a rules-based monetary system because its monetary policy is defined by the code's parameters. As governments print more money than before in the aftermath of the pandemic, investors are looking for alternate assets to safeguard against inflation. What are your thoughts on this matter? And what do you think about Apecoin taking the slot over Dogecoin? And what do you expect for the future? Comment down below. And before you get there, take a detour to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, ring the notification bell, and share this video with your crypto partner.